In this video, I will teach you how to create a CMA report using Tax CRS data system. When you log on to Paragon, click on Tax CRS data system, and it will take you to Tax CRS data system. Under Property Search, select the correct county that the listing is at. For my example, I'm going to be using Alameda County. Then, type in the subject property address. It will take you to the property report for that specific address. Scroll down just a tad. Then I can click on Comparables. I can scroll down just a little bit. It will show me the map of my comparables, sales prices of the comps that they provide, and cost per square foot. And I can change and edit the search parameters. This red bar indicates that there is more than 15 comparables, so it is asking me to limit my search. If I scroll down just a tad, I will see all of my comparables. The subject property is on top, and if I scroll right here, I can see further information. There's year built, last sales date, last sales price, and price per square foot. I can also see further comparables by clicking on this arrow right here, or by clicking on the second page, third page, or fourth page. If there are too many comparables for me, I can scroll back up, change my search parameters, click on Update Results, and now it will show me the listings that fulfill my criteria. There are a total of, if I scroll all the way up, 11 comps. I can scroll all the way down, and these are all my comparables. I can print it out directly here. I can save it as a PDF, or I can also email. And now you know how to do a comp search in the CRS data system.